Hi, welcome to Think English once again. My name is Kisi, and in today's video, we will be looking at Unit 3 of TNI, Grade 1. So if you are ready, let's get on the board. Unit 3, the letter A. The letter A can be written in two different ways. The big A and the small a. The letter A is a vowel letter and it is sound A. 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 Can you try? Good. Here are some words that have the letter A and the sound A in them. Let's have a look. Cat. K-a-t. Cat. A cat. Bat. B-a-t. Bat. A bat. Hat. H-a-t. Hat. A hat. Apple. 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 An apple. Can. Can. A can. Bag. Bag. This. Cat. This cat. This cat. This is cat. This is my cat. This is my cat. Where is your cat? Where is your cat? Where is your cat? This is my cat. This is my cat. Where is your cat? This is my cat. Right. My. Can you repeat for me? Where is your cat? John. This is my cat. Good. May I see? May I see? May I see? May I see your May I see your cat? Good. May I see your cat? May I see your cat? May I see your cat? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. May I see your cat? Yes, you can. Max. Good. May I see your cat? Yes, you can. Good. How many cats do you have? I have 1, 2, 3. 3 cats. I have 3 cats. Okay, Mike, how many cats do you have? Good. How many cats do you have? John. Great work. What is this? Lily. Bat. Yes. Where is your bat? Where is your bat? This is my bat. Where is your bat? This is my bat. May I see your bat? No, you can't. No, you can't. How many bats do you have? How many bats do you have? I have 2 bats. I have 2 bats. Let's go over it again. John, where is your bat? Good. Amy, may I see your bat? Oh, good. Yes, you can. Of course, you can say yes, you can say no. So here is optional. All right. How many bats do you have? Lily, I have 2 bats. Good. Well, let's bring in our flashcards to test how well you have absorbed the vocabulary and the structures today. Amy, where is your hat? This is my hat. Good. May I see your hat? Yes, you can. Good. How many hats do you have? Good. I have 3 hats. Okay, don't worry. This is just one, but since we're practicing, you can use as many numbers as you know, right? Good. Great work. Where is your cat? Good. This is my cat. May I see your cat? Good. No, you can't. Great. How many cats do you have? I have 4 cats. Good. Lily, Where is your bag? This is my bag. Good. May I see your bag? Yes, you can. How many bags do you have? Oh my gosh, you have 20? Great, awesome, 20 bags. Jack, where is your apple? May I see your apple? How many apples do you have? Good. I have 7 apples. I have 7 apples. Good. Lily, where is your can? May I see your can? How many cans do you have? I have 5 cans. Good. Now, let's move on to Cambridge Picture Identification Test. Sample. What is this? Where is your apple? May I see your apple? How many apples do you have? Good, John. I have 1 apple. Can. Can. Okay. Leila, where is your can? Good. May I see your can? Good. How many cans do you have? Good work. Where is your bag? Mimi. Good. May I see your bag? How many bags do you have?